When purchasing your new METTLER Toledo instrument, there are a few services that you'll need to select to get the most out of your instrument. All of the instruments are tested and inspected before they leave the manufacturing facility to make sure they meet specification. Once they reach the customer's site, the field service engineer will install it. Depending on your industry and application, a certain level of qualification will be necessary. If factory inspection is sufficient, like in academia, then the starter pack, with its functional checklist, is appropriate and will trigger the start of your warranty period. If your industry or application typically requires installation and operational qualification, like in the pharmaceutical or chemical industry, then the iPack is most appropriate. This service includes on-site instrument validation and performance verification to ensure it still meets specification after installation at your site. For production or manufacturing applications with stricter quality requirements, such as the FDA, GMP, and European Pharmacopoeia, the EQ pack is the most appropriate. This includes a physical logbook to maintain records for all service history on the instrument. This service includes material certification for all wetted parts of the instrument or probe. It also includes validation of IC process software. Choosing the level of qualification, starter pack, iPack, or EQ pack, for your instrument ensures that you meet all of your quality or regulatory requirements. Designing a training schedule for your team ensures new users are trained properly from the beginning, and experienced users have the opportunity to develop advanced skills and techniques. For first-time users or new employees, our application consultants use a combination of remote classroom and/or hands-on training. They cover topics such as theory, method of measurement, experiment setup and execution, and data-to-information basics. If you have experienced users, there are several advanced training courses available to choose from that will enable your team to utilize more of the advanced software features, take advantage of the synergies from using multiple analytical technologies, or implement automated data workflows. The technology and application consultant can even run a hybrid training to ensure your new and experienced users get the most out of your new equipment. Implementing a maintenance plan at the time of instrument purchase is the most effective way to commit to your team's success. After the initial training and ongoing support, your team's confidence in using the instrument will grow, and so will the value you get out of it. The warranty period ensures you experience minimal disruptions while the instrument is still new. However, once the warranty period is over, an issue with your instrument can have a detrimental effect on the adoption of the new technology. If you have a maintenance plan in place, a call or email to our local support group will trigger a call for a service engineer to get you back up and running. However, without a maintenance plan, an instrument failure will require additional steps after troubleshooting before a service engineer can go on site. This would include request for quote, service budget allocation, management approvals, and purchase order creation. During this time, your team is forced to continue their work for an extended period without the use of the tool. If you have the funds available, your instrument will eventually get back up and running, although it may lengthen the time it takes for your team to integrate the new technology. Worst case scenario, if there are no funds available, the instrument becomes unusable, and adoption becomes near impossible. Securing a maintenance plan at the time of instrument purchase ensures consistent service and support after the warranty period. A second component to adopting new technology is that everyone on your team has access to it. Having the right software licenses maximizes your productivity by ensuring that your team can both run experiments in the lab and analyze data outside the lab. Ordering additional Office licenses allows scientists to plan experiments and analyze data on their laptops outside of the lab, in the office or at home. Making sure that you have enough Office licenses to support your entire team allows them to efficiently share your new instrument. Covering all of your licenses with software care which is an annual software maintenance subscription, ensures they are all on the same version, they are up to date with the newest features, and prevents any issues with file and operating system compatibility. If you plan to grow your instrument fleet or size of your team, an IC site license may be a better solution, as it creates an integrated workflow for your experiments and data. Chemical information from your ELN can be pulled into your IC experiment, eliminating duplicate efforts. Upon completion of the experiment, reports and other supporting files are automatically created and stored in a central location, making it easier to share within a team. Unlimited Office licenses allow your growing team access to the software on any company computer, all of which is covered under software maintenance, ensuring the smoothest possible experience for every user. For more information on services for your new instrument, please contact your METTLER Toledo representative.